Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 6. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mr. Snowlaw, with some new lessons about articles and demonstrative adjectives. You will have a couple of exercises on pages 106 and 107 of your English grammar book. First of all, we are going to do a brief analysis about articles. An article is a kind of adjective. There are three articles: a, an, and the. My dear students, please be attentive. These three small words, a, and the, are called articles. My dear students, these three small words are actually a kind of adjective because we use them before a noun. For example, you will say an office, a boy, a girl, the building, the playground, the players. So these words are called articles as well as a kind of adjective. On page number 106, we will deal with these three articles. Now here is more explanation about articles. A and an. I will repeat. A and an are indefinite articles because they refer to a noun in general. Use a before a noun that begins with a consonant. Use an before a noun that begins with a vowel. As you know, in our English language, we have 26 alphabets. Out of those 26 alphabets, 5 are called vowels, while the remaining are consonants. If a noun is starting with a consonant, you are going to use the article a. Otherwise, there will be an. For example, an umbrella, an orange. And here for the words school and girl, I will use the article a. Here is more explanation about articles. The is a definite article. If you look here on the previous page, I have written a and an. A and an are indefinite articles, while the article the is a definite article because it refers to a specific noun. For example, the building, the system, the examinations. Now we are going to do our exercise. Read the sentences, circle the article that correctly completes the sentence. Number 1. What is a correct article? You will just circle it. Okay? You are going to circle the correct article. No need to write it anywhere on this page. The sun is the center of our system. Number 2. The earth and 7 other planets orbit the sun in circular paths. The earth and 7 other planets orbit the sun in circular paths. Number 3. Pluto also orbits the sun, but it is no longer called a planet. Number 4. Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. Number 5. Pluto's orbit is shaped like an oval. Please circle the article an. Number 6. The solar system has other dwarf planets and a number of small bodies. You are going to circle the article a. Number 7. An asteroid is a small rocky body that travels through space. Here you will circle an. Number 8. Most asteroids are found in a region between Mars and Jupiter called the asteroid belt. Here you will circle the. Number 9. A comet is a small body made of ice, gas and dust. A comet is a small body made of ice, gas and dust. And the last one, comets orbit the sun in oval-shaped paths. You will circle the article the. Now we are going to do an exercise about demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns on page number 107. The words like that, this, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. They point out people, places, things, ideas. For example, I live in this building. You can use that room. Now the words that, this, these and those are demonstrative adjectives because they point out some nouns. These nouns can be people, places, things or ideas. Now the same words become demonstrative pronouns. Here is some explanation that will make the clear idea for you. Demonstrative adjectives can also take the place of nouns. When they do, they become demonstrative pronouns. For example, this is my house, those are your items. Now you can see the words like this and those are being applied as demonstrative pronouns. In these examples, you will find some linking verbs, while here there are no linking verbs when I am using the demonstrative adjectives. I live in this building, you can use that room. Now, how to differentiate between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns? My dear students, the words, these four words, this, that, these and those, become demonstrative adjective as well as demonstrative pronoun. Now you will have to look into the meaning and the idea of the sentence, then ultimately you can recognize whether one of these words carries the status of a demonstrative adjective or a demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative adjective describes a noun. This chair is broken, that car is expensive, while a demonstrative pronoun identifies someone or something. These are her clothes, those are migrating birds. Now we are going to do our exercise on page number 107. Choose the demonstrative adjective that correctly completes each sentence. Write it on the line provided. Number 1. The school principal keeps lost items in this box. You will write this. Number 2. Those gloves might belong to Matthew. Please write those on the line. Number 3. Samantha lost a hair just like this one. The answer for number 3 will be this. Number 4. Ask William if that sweater is his. Here the demonstrative adjective is that. And the last one of this exercise. These clothes have been in the box for a long time. The demonstrative adjective here for question number 5 will be these. Now we are going to do exercise B. You will complete each sentence. Please complete each sentence with an appropriate demonstrative pronoun in parentheses. This is Jessica's lunch bag, which I am bringing to the cafeteria for her. Here our demonstrative pronoun will be this. Number 7. Liz said these are his baseball cards in the lost and found box in the office. Number 8. A water bottle was left on the bus. That might be mine. Here you are going to write the demonstrative pronoun that. Number 9. I have a ball with me. Could this be the ball missing from the gym? Here the demonstrative pronoun will be this. Please write THIS this on the line. And the last one. The books on the table over there go back to the library. These on this table are for the students. These on this table are for the students. Here the demonstrative pronoun will be these. My dear students, so far we have done a couple of exercises about demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative adjectives and articles. I hope you will have written all the answers correctly. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.